This is our control unit, operates 2 awning motors with their sun sensors, wind, rain. Let's go through the connections point by point. Let's remember that it manages 2 single-phase 230 volts motors, volts with a capacitor already on board the motor. Connection 220 to the first 2 terminals. Here we will bring the line voltage. Then we have the connection of motor 1 and the connection of the motor 2. Obviously, we will place the common in the center phase of opening, closing phase, motor 1. Common to the center of motor 2, phase of opening, closing phase, motor 2. The 220 volts ends at these terminals, of which we actually have the wired commands indeed. So on this terminal, we have motor 1 up, motor 1 down, and also common motor 2 up, motor 2 down. These are normally extremely clean contacts, so they will be very carefully controlled. With the normally open NA contact, it will not, in any situation, never apply voltage carefully to these terminals. Then we go to see the connection for the next step in the process. Wind, sun, and rain sensor. Some sensors need a power supply, so we will find the plus 12 volts, approximately the connection for the rain sensor, such as the common wind sensor connection, sun sensor. We obviously have the possibility through the 2 trimmers to go set recognition threshold for the wind and for the sun. Now the 4 dip switches will be used for additional purposes and functionalities. Disable the sun sensor if we set it to on. Decide what we definitely want in case it activates. The rain sensor, with dip 2 off the awning, will close in case of rain. With dip 2 on in case of rain, the awning will open. With dip switch number 3, we can instead manage and decide if after it has intervened the wind sensor, therefore the anemometer, after the 7 minutes that the awning will respect its block, if we want it to reopen or if remain closed. Dip switch 4 is used to manage the test on the 2 motors with long times or normal times. The remote control that comes with, let's remember that our control unit is already pre-programmed. Channel 1 for the command of motor 1, channel 2 for the command of motor 2,